So students, as you will know that at the time of first semester, due to pandemic situation, we had conducted online lecture. Also, now we need to do the same. Here, I welcome to all my dear students, myself, Dr. J.K. Sali. Today, we are going to learn Chapter 2, Organizing from Front Leadership Skills, and topic Nature and Characteristics of Leadership. So, let's start with the topic Nature and Characteristics of Leadership. Introduction of Leadership. Leadership is an important element of the directing function of management. Leadership looks at the bigger picture while the management concentrates on the smaller objectives. To leadership in their long-time visions that these goals are the most important aspect of a business. However, there are many moving parts that come together make a successful business operate. Successful of business enterprise is depend upon the quality of at leadership. Leadership is an important factor in the success of any business. Meaning of leadership. Leaders are required to develop a future vision and to motivate the organizational members to achieve the vision. It has a different meaning to different person. In the managing, leadership is the art of leading others towards a goals. It is a process which an executive can direct guide the behavior of others and towards the specific goals. It is the personally working with them and understanding their problems. Definition of leadership. Leadership is the process of influencing others to work towards the attainment of specific goals. It is the process, the behavior of individuals in a manner that they work towards the attainment of organizational goals. This slide, now we will discuss nature and characteristics of leadership. The first nature is leadership implies the existence of followers. It is the existence of followers. There cannot be a leader without followers. A leader can exercise authority over a particular group. In such authority is accepted by followers. Thereafter, next point is leadership is a continuous process. It is a continuous process. A leader has to guide his employees continuously. He also monitors them to make sure their efforts in the same direction and they are not deviating from the goals. point is attainment of common and organizational goals. The purpose of leader is a guide. People is an organization with towards the attainment of common organizational goals. Next point is leadership as influencing and inspiring process. It is a process of influencing the behavior of others and to achieve the common goals. It is must be able the behavior, attitude, and beliefs of its subordinates. It means of influencing others, reward, coercion, participation, persuasion, and so on. Thereafter, next point is leadership involves interpersonal relation. Leadership involves the interpersonal relation between the leader and the followers, the group members, and at the same time, group member also influencing the leader. The relationship between the leader and the follower decides how efficiently and effectively the targets of the organization would be met. The next is leadership is a personal quality. Leadership is a personal quality of a person. It is a behavioral quality, ability to influence others towards a goal. It has very rightly started that leadership is the quality of the individual and they guide people or their activities. Next point is leadership is a shared function. It is a shared function. Good leader shares everything with his followers. He shares ideas, opinions, experience, credits, and so on with the followers. Next point is leadership is based on power. It is a based on power. A person holding power over others is a leader. A person is in a position to influence the behavior of his group members. A leader may derive power from the superior knowledge, information, experience, or performance. Formal authority and distinct the personality characteristics. Thereafter, next point is leadership is a dynamic art. It is a dynamic art. The particular style of leadership is effective in all situations. It is effectiveness of leadership depends the mainly of situational variables. Therefore, the art of leadership is exercised and applied by the demands of the situation. And the last point is leadership is a pervasive function. Leading is the function that, on the level of function of management, it is performed by the managers at all level in a type of organization. The planning, organizing, motivating, controlling. The functions cannot be performed effectively without the leadership. So these were the various nature and characteristics of leadership. I hope all of you must have understand those nature and characteristics of the leadership. Thank you.